Is AI the new Michelangelo, or is it an artist's best friend? This question sparks a compelling discussion about the role of artificial intelligence in art creation. Today, we delve into the story of Leonardo AI's Realtime Generation Tool, known as Realtime Gen, and its revolutionary live canvas feature, both of which are redefining the landscape of digital art. Imagine this. You're an artist, and you have a vivid concept in mind. You start typing your prompts, and as if by magic, your vision begins to take shape on your screen. That's Realtime Gen for you. With its emphasis on speed, simplicity, and real-time feedback, this tool allows for rapid iterations and refinements of ideas. It offers two refinement options, normal and creative, through its Alchemy Refiner, enhancing the quality of generated images. Plus, it offers style presets and unique elements that users can incorporate into their creations in real time. And there's more. Its concept sliders provide the flexibility to adjust specific aspects of the image on the fly. Output. Now consider the magic of live canvas. This tool takes real-time image generation a notch higher by integrating interactive elements. Users can directly paint on the canvas, add new elements, and even integrate personal images into their artworks. Live Canvas offers a diverse artistic toolkit, 2 modes of operation, and pressure sensitivity for enhanced control over digital brushstrokes. But what does all this mean for artists and creators? The integration of Realtime Gen and Live Canvas into Leonardo AI's ecosystem accelerates the creative process, offers a more intuitive interface for artists of all skill levels, and enables the production of high-quality photorealistic images. However, it's also worth acknowledging potential limitations, such as the fixed artistic styles and a learning curve for mastering the platform's full capabilities. Yet, Leonardo AI's commitment to evolving based on user feedback is a testament to its potential for further enhancements. Features like Alchemy Refiner and pressure sensitivity are a clear indication of Leonardo AI's dedication to providing tools that empower artists to realize their creative visions with unprecedented ease and flexibility. In a nutshell, Realtime Gen and Live Canvas are game changers in the field of AI-powered art creation. They offer artists a real-time interactive canvas to explore and bring their creative visions to life. As these tools continue to evolve, they promise to further democratize the art creation process, making it more accessible and engaging for creators worldwide. As we wrap up, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing videos on AI. Stay tuned and stay inspired.